So today we got this nice set about a stair gauge template that we're gonna use at this moment. And what I like about this, it has instructions, it has the components here, and it has for different depths of your steps. So we're gonna put it to test in a minute. So when you put it together, they got this plastic silicone
washer
that you need to put at the bottom, otherwise it won't tie up your template. So make sure you put it before you put that other template piece on top. So this template has these pieces that you loosen at that end, you loosen it here. This is for your leg, slides in and out. This one says if your stairs are not that straight, this will be your template, your guide. It'll show you how to cut that angles and everything. So we're gonna put it to the test.
That's all.
Just double checking my template again. Always double check twice, cut once. See, it's right in place. So here we're in my wood shop today, and this template, what I like, that is adjustable. You could close it, take it apart. That way you can take it on your bag or on a box that you build. And this is really handy to do all my steps now.